Heads of tech, have you been naughty or nice this year?
Hey guys, welcome to the show. This right here inside this box is the first generation iPhone. I am excited about this, and there's a little twist on this iPhone package that you'll see. It's actually made by a company called Xreart. Just want to open this up. I think this is probably going to be the best gift you can get a tech dude or dudette probably ever. I've always wanted as a collector's item to have a library of cool tech, a library of cool tech. And this box, you might, if you want to order it for Christmas, you might still be able to do it. It took under 2 weeks to arrive for me. It's not a pizza, hopefully. Oh, look at that. So this is the company Xreart, and they've done a good job. Oh, la 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 la. Look at this. Look at this right there. It is the first generation iPhone presented in a beautiful frame. The original parts right there. That's the original case right there. All of the components. And they're kind of laid out what every single component does. It's just, it looks, I don't even want to take the plastic off. It looks gorgeous. Look at that. Apple reinvents the iPhone. And it's even, because they've used clearly secondhand parts. This is actually the original iPhone. It's not like a recreation. They've actually got a refurbished one, or a broken one. They picked up all the parts and they've made it into an artwork. All of the pieces right there. I'll show you a little zoom up. So you got the touch screen. You got the home button. Obviously the home button's now gone for you 2020 babies. That's it. Apple reinvents the iPhone, June 29, 2007. That is the official first generation iPhone case right there. Below it is the bottom part. It tells you where everything's assembled. So the base, that's where you have display connector, the flash, look how tiny that is, that little flash, the light sensor, the cover. Over here you got the charge connector, and this is the front of the case. Whoa, look at that. Right there, you got the home button, circuit board, then you got the multi-touch screen. This was the keyboards went away because everyone's using Blackberries right there. So the keyboard was a bit really hard to use with these, but it brought multi-touch, zoom in, pinch in, pinching out. Here's the logic board. This is where the M1 chips now reside. And this is the first processor right there. And look how gorgeous that is, the little first processor ever. The ARM. That's what Apple reinvented. Got rid of Intel, went to ARM. Camera, look how tiny the camera module is. Just a little tiny camera. You got a SIM tray, the power button, the headphone jack, the charger connector, all of the different components, the cases, just right in this beautiful box for you to hang on your wall. So this could be in the backdrop of all of my videos from now on, just to show off how cool and techie I am. I think, man, first generation iPhone. And these iPhone components, if you want to buy them on eBay, they're pretty expensive. So for the deal you get for this, you know, you get all the components, you get it presented in such a beautiful package. Just gorgeous, good job, guys. You know, when I saw this on the internet, I was like, whoa, that's a pretty cool deal. I was like, I gotta get it. It's just, it looks gorgeous, and in real life, it looks gorgeous too. It's like, yeah, I don't want to get hanged now. So check out this site. It's Xreart. I'll leave in the description below. And they also got like the Apple Watch. They got Game Boys on there. They've got all the different iPhones on there. And they've even got, I should have got this one actually. They got a DIY kit. So they help you like disassemble components, secondhand ones, all that kind of stuff, and put it on your own sort of artwork and just admire it to impress all of your tech mates. And we'll do a little unopening of the back. Yeah, so surviving the drop test. Hey. Surviving the drop test. And around the back, you can open it up so you can actually get to the components themselves. Very, very easy and changeable. Look at it right there. That's just floating on a beautiful board. So you can see the actual, I'm touching the first generation iPhone right there, the home button. Get to press it again. Actual components right there. This is pretty sick. All right, guys, let me know what you think. This is the first generation iPhone right here in my hands, presented in a beautiful frame. That's the screen right there. There's no scratches on the screen. Circle all the pieces. First released June 29, 2007. Now, of course, I've never owned an iPhone first generation before. When it first came out, it was 2G. So I was like, oh, I don't want that. I waited until the 3GS, I believe. That's when it was 3G, but it was also faster. That's the first iPhone I've ever got. And I used that to like develop my first graphing application. And that's pretty fun back in the day. So this brings back memories. Look how tiny the screen is. It's just such a 2G screen. Gorgeous. All right, guys, I hope you found this amazing. This is unboxing of the first generation iPhone in beautiful artwork. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I got it in under 2 weeks. There might still be time for you if you want to order before the end of the year. Get it for Christmas. If not, just generally, it's an all-around awesome gift. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. All right, I hope you found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
Ding! Happy Christmas, heads of tech. Ho, 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 ho.